I'm trying to illustrate the problem with using file names for images in Xara. If I just go to 25% here a moment, you can see I've got 1, 2, 3 images, and using the name, apply a name tag. I've used this file name equals grass for that one, file name equals sand for that one, and file name equals hot air balloon over. Similarly on the mobile site, well, let's tell you what, just so we don't get confused, I'll zoom back up to 100 there. Have a look at the mobile one, and I've created a mobile variant of 480, and I've resized the 3 photographs all down, and as you see, this one is still sand, this one is still grass, and this one is still named file name over air balloon. Now the problem that comes about using that file name on variants is the following. If I preview that, you can immediately see that that's a very poor quality rendering of the original. Just move that down there a bit more. I think you can see that obviously it's very poor quality. I'll push this back up here and close it. Now, strangely enough, when I render it again, ding, I get a good rendering, as good as the one that's already there. Similarly with the other 3 images, are all excellent. Republish it again. Poor quality, poor quality, poor quality. Finally, just one more time, and it seems to just do it every other time. Good quality, good quality, good quality. What's actually happening is that the image named sand here is sometimes being exported at 960 by whatever the height is, and then on the next export it's exporting at the 480, 960, 480. So I don't know which one we're on here. Are we on a good or a bad? That's bad. Let's have a look at it in Firefox, and I'm just going to go inspect element and select that image, and you can see there that it's image class, and it's from above. Its alt title is from above sand, and the source is index htm file / sand jpeg. If I then go down, let's have a look. Whoops, not down that way. That one. Excuse me. I'm just going to have to drag that over a bit and bring up the mobile variant size, and again do an inspection on it. It's the same image, and in both, so you can't, when it just reduces, creates a 480 size pitch image for this sand. When you look at it on a 960 width, it looks very poor. And finally, just to have a look again, if I right click over that and go to view image info, it says here that it's index HTML sand.jpg. It's 42.5 kilobytes, and what's more importantly, it says the dimensions of the image are 480 by 480, and it's scaled up to 960 by 960, and that's why it's giving that poor quality. So let's just for fun one more time, I'll cancel that out, publish it again, because this time it should publish a 960 image. There it is, good quality image. If I go into Firefox, looks good. Again, view image info. It now says it's 960 by 960. If I reduce that down, good quality image, view image info. It says it's a 960 by 960 image scaled down to 480 by 480, which although is quite good, obviously you don't want to do that on mobiles because you're loading large images only to have them reduced down in size, which is not a good idea. So the only way around that, if you want, is to stop sharing them once you've changed them. I'll just create a bitmap copy and delete the original in the mobile version and give that a separate file name, probably the same file name as the other but just mobile. Anyway, I hope that helped. I'll attach this file so you can play around with it and have a look. Cheers, this is Egg, all the best, goodbye.